Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is just going to be a repotting video of the Dwarf Arborvitae that I have. I bought 4 of them last year and 3 of them have grown substantially, but one of them is just not doing well. And so I'm going to be repotting that using Super Thrive. They have been in the same pot, same location, same sun. So I don't know why this one is sort of dying. So I'm just going to bring you closer and show you the 3 that's doing so well, and also show you the ones that's dying, and then we're going to get started. Hey guys, so last year around September I bought 4 Dwarf Globe Arborvitae. I do like experiments. Usually I like to have boxwoods. I have many, I think I have about 30 boxwoods right here in my landscape, but I wanted to try these and put them in pots because they were so inexpensive. So I bought 4 of them, and look at how much they've grown. Okay, so but the interesting thing is that they all have been in the same pot, same location, but 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, have done very, very well. I love them because they sort of give you that globe look in a pot, and I actually want to get more if I can find them. These here are just boxwoods, but then the next one here it just didn't do well, hasn't been doing well, and I honestly don't understand, right? Because I didn't do anything differently with the other plants, you know, like the other ones. They've all been in the same pot. So I'm thinking that this pot here where this plant has been in might have a drainage issue, right? So I'm going to switch it out and just see how it reacts, because everybody keeps telling me, why don't you just throw it out? I'm not going to throw that out. So I think there might be a drainage issue with this one here. So what you're just gonna come along with me as I try to repot it. But a quick review about these plants though: if you find them, you should buy them if you are in zone 5 to 8. I have to tell you, these are one of the easiest plants I've ever like gotten from Lowe's. Very easy to plant, and then you only water them 2 to 3 times a week, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. I think they were growing so fast that earlier this spring I had to just trim it a bit because it was just getting too big, right? But I wanted to be in a way where it can actually just be a bit bigger and cover this side of the pot, you know, like a big giant globe. Also, they need to be in well-drained soil. So the soil that I put them in was this one here, right here. The potted mix is the same thing I'm going to use, and then I just added some plantain to it when I planted it. All right, but because this is like dying, I'm going to be doing all of that, but I'm also going to put some Super Thrive that I've been talking about, that I rave about, in some water here, and then plant it. And then maybe after 1 month or 2 months I'll do another video and just give an update. But if you're looking for like something in the landscape, I think you should give these a try. So if you can find this, you can get it and just plant them in the landscape. You can trim them anyhow you want. I'm really excited to see how big it's gonna get because I want them much bigger. You know, boxwoods are nice, but boxwoods are too expensive. So yeah, so let's just get to work and get started with planting this one right here. Hey guys, so like I said, I'm going to be repotting this, and then I'll give an update in a month or 2 to see if it survives. But you're just gonna come along with me. So I'm gonna be switching the pot, all right? Because I see there's a hole here that's a lot bigger. So. Not a lot though, because the thing I'm putting in the water also has nutrients, so this is going to be just in a little bit. Some of the roots here, so I feel like it's not the best. So I'm gonna just pick some of this. I think there's a good sign this is still alive. I don't know if you can see this, but look at this. There's something little growing on here, so this is actually a good sign. So yeah, hopefully it survives. And it does smell good though. Done, I'm just going to put this in the water. I usually measure with the top, so this is a good sign. I can see the water is draining, so hopefully this works. probably work for it. I'm also just going to like respray paint this. I kind of like white, so I'm just going to finish that quickly. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will give an update, like I said, in a month or two to see how this is doing, but I think it will work. I've seen the water draining, so yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.